Traffic is king. We make money from traffic, we monetize traffic, and we get conversions from traffic. Without traffic, no online business can exist. What if we help you drive massive amounts of traffic every single day? And not just that, what if we also give you the tools and resources to convert and monetize this traffic for a 100% passive income? You see, millions of people search for free-to-use tools every single day. We can name some popular free-to-use tools which millions of people search every single day: word counter, case converter, text binary, time converter, online flip image tool, JPEG to PNG, image to PDF, image to doc, PowerPoint to PDF, Word to PDF, etc. Let me show you proof. Imagine if you owned these WebTool sites. These WebTool websites with free-to-use tools bring 2 to 110 million visitors every single month. Let me ask you, what would you do if over 2 to 110 million visit your website every single month? It can be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get SiteToolPro for the lowest price. We're excited to see you inside.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and training courses, including anything that will help you make money online. And today I have another amazing software product that is going live on the Warrior Plus platform on the 11th of July 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this product is called SiteToolPro. And SiteToolPro, in a nutshell, actually is an amazing product by the super affiliate Rick Ngoyen. And this one, in a nutshell, is going to give you access to creating automated website in 60 seconds for any web tool that you want to actually engage in. This automatically means that most of the search engine results or searches that you have on the search engines like Google and all the rest of them actually have keywords that definitely drive into this targeted software that helps you create web tool websites in such demands that you have never seen before. It says that it's the first to market one-click app that creates a completely automated web tool website in less than 60 seconds. And of course, it is asking a question. Let me ask you, what do you do if over 2 million to 110 million visitors actually visit your website in a single month? This is a question that this very tool, this very web tool is trying to actually answer. Okay, and of course, if this is a product you are going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will definitely bring you to the very sales page where we are right now. And of course, if you stick with me, I will take you to the amazing bonus page of mine, where you are going to see all the bonuses that I have lined up for you, and of course take you also to the software itself, which is exactly where you are going to have access to immediately you purchase this product, of course using my link below in the description, actually the first link. Now with that said, let us actually go to my bonus page and see more about this very instrument that Rick Ngoyen is giving to anybody who wants to make money online. Okay, so now if you get here by clicking that link in my bonus area, in my description area, if you click that link, it will bring you to this very bonus page where you will be able to grab a copy of this using this link or any of the other links scattered all over this very bonus page, yellow in color. If you click any of them, they will take you to the sales page I showed you earlier. And of course, on the sales page, you will be able to manage to locate any of the very buttons that are yellow in color as well. Let's see if we can manage to get anyone here. Here you have one. If you click any of this, it will take you to the Warrior Plus account of mine where you check out this product. And when you do check out this product, you will definitely find on my Warrior Plus account a page that looks exactly like what I'm going to show you now. Just hold on a sec. A page that looks like this. Okay, hold on. It's coming. You will be able to actually get access to that when you get here. Okay, on my Warrior Plus account, you will find a page that looks like this. This one gives you access to the amazing software SiteToolPro, and here you have this blue one giving you access to the bonuses that I have lined up for you, which I am going to run through as we go on this very review. And then with that said, let us sort of go and know more about what Nguyen is talking about this product. It says SiteToolPro Pro is the first to market one-click app that creates completely automated web tool in less than 60 seconds. And of course, you can sell your visitors your own products or affiliate offers, place banners ads, and generate income with AdSense, propeller ads, and of course, so much more. And here are some of the things you have with this one if you eventually decide to get a copy for yourself. Okay, using definitely that link in my description area. Okay, now you have, it helps you build a completely automated web tool website in 60 seconds. And of course, web-based app, so there is nothing to install. It is loaded with 60 plus online tools that use on daily basis: PowerPoint, PDF, and Word to PDF, Excel to PDF, HTML to PDF, image to PDF, ICO to PNG, and JPG to PNG, and a lot more. Okay, so that is basically what you have as long as this very product is concerned as values. And now let us eventually take a look at the very prices for this one. Okay, I think I have list of prices for this one. The front end goes for $17, and it will give you all the information you need on what this product is all about. And now the OTO number one is the unlimited version that goes for $47, and it gives you unlimited site license. Users can create as many passive income web tool sites as they want, and includes commercial rights. User can create and sell web tool sites to clients and live, and of course be able to place Google Pixel and Facebook Pixel on their site to retarget visitors. Okay, OTO number three will be SiteToolPro Advanced. It goes for $67, and this means you will place a fancy pop-up on your site to automatically collect leads, and of course auto capture email leads to your dashboard, and a lot more. Now OTO number three, I guess, will be SiteToolPro Profit Stream, which goes for $37, and this instantly adds another income stream to your web tool site and gets triple income from your site. And of course, OTO number four will be SiteToolPro Done For You, and this goes for $97. Everything is done for you, and you just sit back and enjoy your income. Now bonus number OTO number five, will be SiteToolPro Agency. It goes for $197, and this will help you create unlimited SiteToolPro accounts for your clients, and agency kits are all included in this one. So that's basically what you have as the pricing for this one. And on my bonus page too, when you arrive here, you will be able to actually see the prices as well and go through them so that you see exactly what you have in offer there. And here are some of the amazing benefits you have with this very one, and it has 30-day money back guarantee. And like I told you before, any of these clicks and links will take you to the very page that you have access to the cells, and of course be able to check out on this one. Now my bonuses are here. My bonus number one will be access to Product Vault. Product Vault is a vault that contains about 17 amazing bonuses. You have CPA offer, different varieties of amazing bonuses, most of them software in themselves, and these are 17 in number. I have up to 1,022 bonuses for you in this very bonus page, and that I will show you now. My bonus number two will be exactly 3 monetization strategies, which are tutorials on how you can strategize and monetize any website, your YouTube channel, whatever that needs monetization these strategies will teach you how to actually do them. My bonus number 3 will be daily profit success. Is a crazy hack that is going to teach you how to get all the traffic you need to make commissions on daily basis. My bonus number 4 will be the commission toolbox. This is the mega bonus bundle that I have for you. This one has about more than 1,000 tools in itself. You will find over 1,000 links that will teach you different things online. With this, you have absolutely no need to actually get any kind of course for yourself. If by the time you master some of the tools here, you are very skillful in making money online. So that's my bonus number 4 for you. And of course, my bonus number 5 will be how to rank any site on page number 1 in Google. So this is another crazy one. Without ranking, there's no visibility. Without visibility, you will not get the traffic that actually get the clicks that you need to make money online. This is basically what this very amazing bonus number 5 of mine will do for you. So in all, you have about 1,022 bonuses for yourself. So that's a crazy one from me. And of course, like I told you before, when you click any of these links, they will take you to the sales page, where you can use any of the links on the sales page there, like this one, to check out. When you do check out, under your purchase history on my Water Plus account, you'll find a page that looks exactly like this, where you have 2 buttons. This one, green, gives you access to SiteToolPro, and here you have this blue one that gives you access to the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. With that said, now let us go and take a look at the very members area, the dashboard of the software itself, so that you can see exactly what is out there for you. Now, this is the link that gives you access to actually manage your websites. You know, when you have websites created in different websites for different web tools, like PDF to PNG to PDF, JPG to PDF, all these things that you are able to do, which of course make up thousands of search results in Google. This will enable you to create such tools and be able to drive traffic to them to make commissions online. That's exactly where you have the website settings. Here you have the manage pages, which is going to open up now. There is no data because this is for demo purposes. Now you have, of course, website setting on this very button. This is where you have your website setting. Manage your website. This is where you have them. And here you have the affiliate settings, where you have your ClickBank, and then this is the ID you need. Amazon, this is the ID you need. And of course, you have currency set for Fiverr and so many things, and APIs, and everything you have here is amazingly tailored to bring out the best out of this one. Now you have your blog campaigns with this button. These are the area you have your blog campaigns, and you can always create blog on any topic using this very software to come out with state-of-the-art content that will definitely drive people to your website or your web tool site or whatever you have out there, which you have constructed with this very SiteToolPro. Okay, now you have the manage article button here, where you manage all your articles when you create them on the blog campaign section. And here you have the Ads Manager subscriber list, where you have your list of subscribers, which is 0 at this moment because of course it is for demo purposes. And here you have the amazing training actually that will teach you how you can demonstrate with this very training, and of course this very software called SiteToolPro. Okay, this is where you have all the training. All these things are all the training that you are going to get with this one. Unfortunately, they are on YouTube, so you can watch them and get trained one by one on how you can set up this very software for yourself and be able to use it to maximize your commissions and your income, as the product says. So with that said, we have rounded up on the members area of this one. Now let us scroll through and see what you have here on the sales page. Okay, this is the sales page, and then of course you will be able to have access to all the things that needs to be assessed, as long as this one is concerned, including the testimonials, which you are going to see for yourself. And of course, I think this is my friend Khalil Mohammed is I think a beta tester of this very one, and you can always read through and see exactly what you have out there for yourself. Okay, so these are amazing products that you will be able to make use of. And I think the very vendor has some few bonuses for you, which are called the vendor bonuses, which I am going to show you in a very short time. These are things that you will be able to have access to when you come here on the sales page and then read through and see for yourself. This is bonus number 1 from the vendor. It is called Social Traffic Booster App. And of course, you have the bonus number 2 from the vendor. It will be Auto Content Builder App. And of course, bonus number 3 will be Pinterest Auto Traffic Builder App. And you have bonus number 4. Those are 3 bonuses from the vendor. 5 from me. That's 8 amazing bonuses you have to make up your mind on this one. And with that said, we will definitely go back to run through and recap the bonuses that I have for you. Here are all the bonuses. Bonus number 5 for you, how to rank on Google number 1 page. And of course, bonus number 4 will be the commission toolbox with over 1,000 tools. And you have bonus number 3 from me will be daily profit success. And bonus number 2 will be, I guess, 3 monetization strategies from Mr. Jono Armstrong, my mentor. And my bonus number 1, I guess, is the access to the product vault, which has 17 amazing software and training courses that we are going to actually teach you how to make money from scratch to scale any amount of money you desire in a month. So this is basically what I have here as the review for this product, and I will invite you to like, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications. And of course, if you are new to my channel, do that. And if you are a returning customer, I will suggest you also do that, and I will be very, very appreciative. Now, this is where we come to the end of this very review. This is Mike coming to you, and I will be back to you in the next review. Till then, say good.